If you're wondering how you can add your Google account to your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how to do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for the Mail app, then tap on it. From here, just tap on Add Account and select Choose from a list. Now from this list, just select Google. Tap on Open Browser. Now if you want to create a Google account, just tap on Create Account. And if you want to sign into your existing Google account, in this section, just enter your Google account. And after you enter your Google account, then tap on Done and tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter the password of your Google account. And after you enter the password of your Google account, just tap on Done and tap on Next. From here, just select Continue. And from here, you can select what your iPhone can access. You can either select All, and your iPhone will be able to have access of all the mentioned data, or you can select each setting individually. And also you have the option to skip this step. Just tap on Continue and do not select anything if you do not want to share any data with your iPhone. And as you can see, we have successfully added our Google account to our iPhone. And this is how you can add your Google account on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.